Morning everyone, it's day 4 and we've woken up to misty drizzle, but I mustn't complain because apparently it's snowing back home. The rain's due to ease off by lunchtime and fortunately today is an easier day. The walk's only about 10 kilometres, just over 6 miles, and we head over from Guadalest to Callosa dan Sarria. So I thought this morning I'd just have a little look around Guadalest. Come on, let's have a look. Down at the bottom of the valley there you can see the Guadalest reservoir. We're going to drop down to the reservoir and then climb back up the other side onto the hills covered in mist. So the rain started to ease off and the clouds started to lift, and you can see the ridge behind the castle, and we're going to walk along this ridge all the way along and down into the town of Costa Blanca Hike. So we're now at the Guadalest reservoir. Look how blue that water is. You can actually see fish just down there. It's incredible, that's how clear the water is. So we've just walked down the road past the reservoir and we're just about to turn off onto the trail and start our ascent. Well, we're about halfway up the climb. We're getting a good view across now to the castle. Hopefully this mist will just continue to lift. Up ahead there you can just see a path snaking between the two crags, and that's the path we'll be taking. Well, we're pretty much at the top of the climb now. I'm going to try and find a spot and I'll have my lunch. Straight ahead there you can see Albia and the coast. So we swing around, you can see the mist clinging onto Punnet still. Now you can clearly see the Castell de Guadalest and the reservoir just below it. Well, we're just walking through an alpine woodland and there's this huge rock. It's clearly been deposited during the Ice Age when the glaciers melted. We're just slowly making our way down through this alpine forest and it's getting warmer. So we've just been making our way down through the forest and behind me you can see Almeida, which is the last climb of today. I'm wondering if it's wild rosemary. I keep getting a waft of it, and when I crush it in my fingers I do get that rosemary type smell. I've no idea on this one. If you know the answer, put it in the comments. Well, according to the map, we're at the top of Almeida, but as you can see the mist has closed in and there are no views. To be fair, given the rain this morning, it's been a great walk and the views have been wonderful, so I'm not complaining. Come on, let's get down the hill. Well, just halfway down the mountain and the mist keeps closing in and then opening and then closing in again. Just to give you an indication of the mist, there's a chimney stack just ahead. You can barely pick it out through the mist. So we're just coming into Callosa de Sarria and I'm going to call it here for today. Behind me you can see Almeida is pretty much still shrouded in mist, whereas Ponnet is almost cloud free.